solution is to create a wristband connected to a device measuring your blood glucose level constantly, enabling the user to check the measurement as easily as looking at a clock. The device should either be an optical fiber implanted in the skin or a transdermal patch monitoring the bloodstream non-invasively, depending on the individual preference. The data would then be passed to the wristband, where you can see the blood glucose value, or even connect it to other wireless devices, such as a tablet, a computer, or a smartphone, including a possibility of sending data directly to the hospital. If desired, we would have an application for smartphones to synchronize with the wristband, containing several basic functions: graphs, monitored history, insulin calculator, and so on. Advancing further, the identification chip inside the wristband would give access to a virtual reality game, to be played both through the application or on an online computer. The game would allow you to have an avatar in a parallel world, and by using GPS with Street View, the user could interact in the game, see the location of other active players, who would all be diabetics, creating a network option and giving them opportunities to solve team activities in the game, rewarding them with bonuses. There would be diabetes-relevant tasks such as a blood glucose measurement checkpoint, hospital appointment missions, and insulin calculation high scores. The smaller a difference in blood glucose level before and after meals, the more points. Also, there should be an entertainment factor, and by using the camera in the smartphone, there would be virtual things to interact with, such as sugar cubes you would have to kick. So combining the wristband designed to make life easier with the application providing an overview and a game with both networking and entertainment factors, we hope to be able to motivate young people with diabetes into taking better control of their health.